Hey everyone,
Hi. Hello, hello. Welcome back to our channel.
my name is John.
And I'm Emma.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, really happy. Thank you for clicking this video.
Before we start, please do one small thing.
Yes, please.
Like this video
Subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And don't forget to comment later. We love reading your comments.
Okay, so today's topic is very simple.
Very simple, but very important.
The topic is,
Tell me about yourself.
yes, this is one of the first questions people ask in English.
At school,
At work,
with new friends.
many beginners feel nervous about this question.
Yes, they think, oh no, what do I say?
So today, we will talk about ourselves,
Slowly,
simply,
like real people.
and we will help you learn how to talk about yourself in English.
In a natural way.
Okay, Emma, are you ready?
I think so. Are you ready, John?
I am ready. Let's start easy.
Okay, let's start with our names.
Good idea.
I'll go first.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Emma.
Nice and clear.
My full name is Emma Wilson.
Oh, Wilson. That's a nice last name.
Thank you. I like it too. People usually call me Emma.
Not Emily?
No, just Emma.
Okay.
What about you?
Hi, my name is John.
Hi, John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your full name?
My full name is John Miller.
John Miller. Very American.
Yes, very American.
People call you John, right?
Yes, just John.
Simple.
Okay, next, age.
Oh, age.
You don't have to say the number if you don't want to.
That's true. But it's okay. I'll say it.
Brave Emma.
I am 29 years old.
Okay.
I will be 30 next year.
Wow, big number.
Hey,
Just kidding.
how old are you, John?
I am 32 years old.
32. Nice.
I feel young, most days.
Most days.
Okay, let's talk about where we are from.
Yes, this is very common.
People always ask, where are you from?
All the time. I am from the United States.
Me too.
I am from California.
California. Wow.
Yes, I grew up in Los Angeles.
Big city.
Very big.
Was it noisy?
Yes, very noisy.
Cars, people, music?
All the time. But now I live in a small town.
Oh, really?
Yes, I like it more.
Quiet.
Quiet. More trees.
Sounds nice.
Where are you from, John?
I am from Texas.
Texas.
Yes,
Big state.
very big.
Where in Texas?
I am from Austin.
Austin is cool.
Yes, it is.
Did you grow up there?
Yes, I did.
Same house?
Almost. We moved once.
Okay.
I still live in Texas now.
Do you like it?
I do.
Why?
Friendly people,
Yes.
good food,
Oh, yes.
and warm weather.
I like warm weather too.
Not too hot, though.
Texas is very hot.
That's true. Okay, let's talk about jobs.
Okay. Work.
This is another common question.
What do you do?
Yes,
Not what do you do now?
just what do you do?
Exactly. I'll start again.
Okay,
I am a teacher.
nice.
I teach English.
Perfect for this channel.
Yes. I teach English to beginners.
Like our viewers.
Yes.
How long have you been a teacher?
For about 6 years.
Wow.
I like my job.
Why?
I like helping people.
That's nice.
And I like talking.
You do talk a lot.
Hey,
Just joking.
what about you, John?
I work in an office.
What do you do in the office?
I am a project manager.
Big words.
Yes, big words.
Can you explain simply?
Yes, I help people work together.
Okay.
I plan things.
Okay.
And I solve problems.
That sounds stressful.
Sometimes.
Do you like it?
Yes, most days.
Most days again.
Some days are hard.
That's normal.
Okay, let's talk about daily life.
Yes. What do we do every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Early.
Not too early.
For me, it's early.
What time do you wake up?
Around 8 a.m.
Lucky.
I make coffee first.
Very important.
Very important.
Me too.
I drink coffee and check my phone.
Same.
Emails.
Messages.
Then I start work.
At home?
Yes, I work from home.
That's nice.
I wear comfortable clothes.
Pajamas?
Sometimes.
Don't tell your boss.
I am my boss.
Oh, right. I go to the office.
Do you drive?
Yes, I drive to work.
Traffic?
Too much traffic.
I don't miss that.
After work, I go home.
What do you do at night?
I eat dinner.
What do you like to eat?
Pasta.
Me too.
Pizza sometimes.
Of course.
Then I watch TV.
What do you watch?
Funny shows.
Comedy?
Yes, I like to laugh.
Me too. I cook dinner at home.
Do you like cooking?
Sometimes.
Most days?
Some days.
Honest answer.
Then I read or watch YouTube.
English videos?
Sometimes.
Good teacher. Let's talk about hobbies.
Yes, fun things.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like walking.
Walking.
Yes, long walks.
Music?
Music in my ears.
Nice.
I also like baking.
Baking?
Cakes, cookies.
You never bring me cookies.
Next time.
I like playing guitar.
Really?
Yes, not very good.
That's okay.
I play for fun.
What kind of music?
Simple songs.
Sing too?
No, please no. I also like hiking.
Nature.
Yes, fresh air.
That's good for the mind.
Yes.
And the heart.
Let's talk about family.
Okay.
This can be short.
Yes, simple. I have a small family.
Okay.
I have one sister.
Older or younger?
Younger.
Nice.
My parents live near me.
That's good.
We eat dinner together sometimes.
Family dinner.
Yes.
I have 2 brothers.
2?
Yes, I'm the middle one.
Middle child.
Yes.
Is that hard?
Sometimes. My parents live in Texas too.
Family close.
Yes. Let's talk about feelings.
Feelings are important.
How do you feel today?
Today?
Yes.
I feel calm.
Calm is good.
A little tired.
Me too.
But happy.
I feel relaxed.
That's nice.
Talking helps.
Yes, talking is good.
Let's help the viewers now.
Yes.
If someone asks, tell me about yourself.
You can start simple.
Name.
Age.
Where you are from.
Job.
Hobbies.
Family.
You don't need everything.
Just a little.
Speak slowly.
Breathe.
Smile.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are normal.
Even we make mistakes.
All the time. Emma, do you remember your first English introduction?
Oh, yes.
Tell us.
I was very shy.
Really?
Yes. I said, my name Emma.
No is.
Yes, I forgot is.
That's okay.
I was nervous.
Everyone is.
But people understood me.
That's the goal.
Communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Okay, let's do a short example together.
Good idea.
I'll ask you.
Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, nice to meet you too. My name is Emma.
Okay,
I am 29 years old.
good.
I am from the USA.
Nice.
I am a teacher.
Perfect.
I like walking and baking.
Very good.
That's it.
That's perfect.
Simple,
Clear?
natural.
Yes. Now you try at home.
Pause the video if you want.
Practice speaking.
Out loud.
Don't be shy.
You can do it.
Okay, we are almost at the end.
Time goes fast.
Let's share one last thought.
Okay. Talking about yourself is not scary.
Yes,
You are just sharing who you are.
you don't need big words.
Just real words.
Real feelings.
Be yourself.
People like that.
We like that.
Yes, we do.
Thank you for watching today.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this video,
Please like it,
subscribe to the channel,
share it with a friend.
and write a comment.
Tell us about yourself in the comments.
Your name,
Where you are from,
we will read them.
and reply.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.